In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a transaction from your account records efficiently and accurately. Managing your financial records can be a daunting task, but removing unwanted transactions is a simple process once you know what to do. So let's dive straight into it. First, you need to locate the transaction you wish to delete. Begin by opening your financial app or software and navigate to the transaction history or ledger where all your transactions are listed. Depending on the software, you might find this under labels like transactions, transaction history, or activity log. Once you're there, take a moment to scan through your transactions. If you have numerous entries, you might find it helpful to use the search function to pinpoint the exact transaction. You can typically search by date, amount, or a keyword related to the transaction. Once you've found the transaction, the next step is to open it. Clicking on the transaction line should bring up more details. This will allow you to ensure it's the correct one. You might see detailed information such as the date, the amount, the transaction ID, and possibly who it was with or the category it falls under. Verify everything to avoid deleting something by mistake, as this can impact your financial records greatly. Now that you have double-checked and confirmed it's the right entry, it's time to proceed with deleting it. Look for an option that says delete, remove, or sometimes an icon that resembles a trash can. Click this option and be sure to read any prompts or confirmations that appear. Many systems offer a confirmation step to prevent accidental deletion, which is essential for safeguarding your records. If you're prompted, confirm that you wish to delete the transaction. Finally, you need to confirm the deletion. This generally involves clicking yes, confirm, or another affirmative choice in a pop-up window. At this stage, the transaction will be permanently removed from your records. Make sure you are absolutely certain before you confirm this final step. Once the transaction is deleted, it's not always possible to retrieve it without special help from customer support or by restoring backups if available. And there you have it, folks. Deleting a transaction is straightforward once you know these steps. This process helps maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records, which is crucial for budgeting, preparing taxes, or simply knowing where your money goes. Remember, keeping organized records can save you time and money in the long run, and now you know how to keep yours in perfect shape. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.